All right, hopefully you found a time after hint 2. Now I need to review the equations of motions for each car. So for the police car, we had its final position of the police car is 1/2 acceleration times time squared. And final position of the speeder is its initial speed times t. All right, you already know acceleration and of the police car and velocity of the speeder. Those were given in the problems. You just found the time for both, so the t is the same for both. Whatever t you found in both, those t's are the same. So just substitute in the t you found in the last problem to get your distances. And then finally, part C asks, find the velocity of the police car using equation... Sorry, no. It doesn't tell you what equation you use. My bad. It's not supposed to. It says find the velocity of the police car. Okay, so I'm going to flip back to that equation page in the book, page 46. And I see that to find the final velocity of something, we can look at equation 2.7, doing the police car, so this in blue. Final velocity of something is initial velocity plus acceleration times time. All right, the police car's initial velocity was 0. That's in the problem, so that just becomes 0. And then the acceleration is given in the question, 4.51 meters per second squared. All you have to do now is sub in the t you found in hint 2. And yes, on purpose, I'm not telling you what that t is. So sub in the t you found on hint 2. All right, at this point, you should go off and do it. If you're stuck completely and you have no idea what's going on, come back later in this very same video. So I'm going to stop talking for about 5 seconds. After that, I'll tell you how you can check your answer. So if you are confident in your answer, just move on. If you are completely stuck and you're just like, I have no idea what to do, I'm really confused, I will pause talking for 5 seconds and then I'll tell you how to find out the answer. Pausing now. Okay, if you are still stuck, in your textbook, turn to page 37, and at the bottom, there is an example that starts. It's example 2.9. And it goes on to page 38. That example is the question I gave you. It has everything worked out for you. Hopefully, you didn't need this part of the video. If you accidentally watched it and you're like, oh no, just don't open the textbook. It's okay. So, if you need it, page 37, example 2.9 tells you how to do everything, and I mean everything. All right, that's all. See you tomorrow. And one of your reading quiz questions, as it says in the problem, will be, let's see, what was the question I wrote? How long does it take the police car to catch the speeder? So make sure you know that answer. That's all, and have a good night.